Hi everyone. Yesterday we completed 2 paragraphs for the chapter The Claveret, and we also have given you the new words along with the words to be found in the picture. Hope you all have completed your work. Today I am starting another 2 paragraphs, and today also we will give some new words. We will underline that and we'll write Hindi meanings for this, as well as we will also find some words in the picture composition. Hope yesterday you have completed your homework. Yes, you all are my lovely kids. आप मेरे सारे प्यारे बच्चे हो. So I know you all have finished your work, right? Yes. मैं फटाफट से एक क्विक रिकैप कर रही हूँ लास्ट 2 पैराग्राफ का, ताकि हमें बेसिकली सारा रिफ्रेश हो जाए. राइट. Whenever I read, you have to move your fingers along with me. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. Yes, this is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. इस brown rat का नाम है Ratty. Yes, Ratty is on the mat. Ratty कहाँ है? मैट के ऊपर. He likes to eat cheese. उसे चीज़ खाना अच्छा लगता है. That is a fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. वहाँ पे एक fat black cat खड़ी है. Her name is Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Blackie किसकी तरफ देख रही है? Ratty की तरफ. She wants to eat him. Ratty को किसको खाना है? Yes, she wants to eat Ratty. Yes. Now I am reading this paragraph. Same way we will underline the new words and we'll write Hindi meanings for it. Okay, I'll send you the picture of new words as well as its Hindi meanings, and I will also give you some words to find in this picture composition. This is picture composition number 1. This is picture composition number 2. Yes, Ratty jumps up. Ratty jumps up मतलब jumps मतलब कूदना, up मतलब ऊपर की तरफ. Ratty कहाँ कूदता है? Up. वो ऊपर कूदता है. He is on the fan now. Can you see a fan there? क्या आपको फैन दिख रहा है? Yes, this is a fan. So Ratty is jumping up. Jump कर लिया उसने. And now he is on the fan. अब वो किसके ऊपर है? फैन के ऊपर. Blackie jumps up too. Blackie भी जंप करके फैन के ऊपर आ जाता है. देखो Blackie भी जंप कर रहा है. Yes, Blackie is also jumping. She is also on the fan. Blackie भी किसके ऊपर चढ़ जाता है? फैन के ऊपर. Blackie is also on the fan now. Ratty is clever. Ratty बहुत होशियार है. Ratty is clever. Clever means होशियार. मैंने आपको कल वर्ड्स दिए थे, उसमें कहा था Ratty is clever. He jumps down. Ratty क्या करता है? Ratty clever है. वो जंप करके कहाँ चला जाता है? नीचे. He jumps down. वो नीचे चला जाता है. But Blackie cannot jump down. But Blackie jump नीचे नहीं कर पाता है. But मतलब परंतु या फिर पर. Blackie cannot मतलब नहीं कर सकता. Blackie cannot jump down. Down मतलब नीचे. So fast. Blackie फटाफट से जंप करके नीचे नहीं आ सकता है. Right? These are the 2 paragraphs I am completing today, and with this I'll give you new words for this, as well as I'll give you the words for the picture compositions. बाकी सारे वही words होंगे. For example, ratty. Show me the ratty here. Is this a ratty? Yes, this is a ratty. Yes. No, she is not ratty. He is the ratty, right? So ratty, blackie. Yes. Wall. Where is the wall? Yes, this is the wall. Even this is the wall. So you can write wall here. Then lamp. This is the lamp. Yes. Chair. Show me the chair. Yes, this is the chair. Photo frame. Yes, this is the photo frame. Now, floor. Where is the floor? Yes, this is the floor. Yes, and one more word is there. Pillow. Where is the pillow? Or the cushion. Pillow भी कहते हैं, cushion भी कहते हैं. मतलब तकिया. ये रहा. ठीक है? So hope you are clear with this, and आप अपने सारे words ढूंढ लेंगे. ठीक है? I'll give you 2 type of words. One are the new words and the others are picture composition words. Picture composition words to be found and to be written in the picture. Hope you are clear with the homework. Yes? Goodbye for the day. Bye.